day. Today I want to show how to update the Acer original application software. So you will log into the Acer website of your country, then click support, then click driver and manual. So and then select the notebook and then your computer series, notebook or desktop. So mine is notebook and series is Nitro. So and then select the model. So they will load, then it will detect your OS. So we will go to the application. Then this is the picture of your computer. So example like you check the date, which is quite new, 2012, year 2012. So nitrogen 2012 June. Okay, click download. So remember to install the antivirus extension. So when you download everything or you go to any website, they will show you is it safe or not safe. So once done, so open the file and open again, then click setup. So because mine already installed, so now I can upgrade. Okay, that's all. This is the new version of the Nitro Sense. So we can adjust the fan and select full boost, battery, and then the temperature. So right now the temperature is 64 degrees of the CPU and 48 degrees of the GPU. So let's try and see. So the temperature is actually going down, so we put maximum fan speed. Can you see that? So it dropped to the full, and then the temperature dropped to 64. So this one is full boost. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks.